Hey guys, it's Sydney. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I made $300 with a $7 side hustle. And this all made possible by this system, the OSP system. And as you can see here, this is my commission. And I can refresh the page so you can see this is all real. So first of all, you need to activate your mega link with the OSP system, and you can use my link at hithanhdotcom/mega link. I also put this link in the description so you can click on that. You can use my link because I have a very cool bonus for you, and also you can get my one-on-one support so you will not be alone on this journey. After you click on that link, you will be redirected to this page, and make sure this is my referral ID here, 1021327, and scroll down and you will see this is the mega link, and you can purchase this link on this page. And the method that I use is posting on Facebook. As you can see, this is the post that I made, and I have also created a lot of posts for you. So all of the posts are done for you. You can copy and paste everything. I also create the stories for you to post on Facebook too. And for the $300 that I have made, mostly are from posts like this on my profile. Of course, before that, I need to grow my Facebook account. I build trust with people, all with my free traffic strategies. And you can also get access to these strategies once you join the mega link with me. I really love the mega link because I have not promoted it really intensively. However, I still earn commissions. So I think, wow, it's amazing. Do you know why? You have one link to promote and you can earn from multiple streams of income. On this page, you can see there are 3 streams of income here. I can reload it for you to see this is all real. Okay, this is the commission that I earn from commenting on Facebook. This is for the mega link. I earn 100% commission when someone join me with the mega link. Then also, this is another commission from the clicks that people buy. And you can see these are the streams of income that you can potentially earn. You don't need to own these products, you just need your mega link. And then when someone buy from your link, you can earn commission from these products. So it's multiple streams of income for you. And this small commission is from commenting on Facebook. So if you decided to join the OSP system with me, you can just go ahead and purchase your mega link at hithanhdotcom/mega link. Then you can go to hithanhdotcom/start and you go through this page. This is my step-by-step guidance for you to get started with the OSP system. If you need any help, feel free to DM me on my Facebook because I'm here to help you. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much. And this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye-bye.